guys, welcome back. So finally, Kodi 18 Leia has finally reached the Play Store. Guys, let's get down to it. We're going to enter the Play Store. You're going to type in WBMC and search. There it picks up, guys. You got WBMC Wonderbox TV and WBMC 18. So we're going to click on WBMC 18. Guys, as we read in the bottom here, it's free and unofficial Android fork of Kodi 18. This is only a fork and it's available on Android only. Alright. Where it says install, we're going to click install and accept. Guys, the official release of Kodi 18 has not been released as yet. This is due to it being still with developers trying to iron out all the crash logs, all the bugs, and getting it perfect before it's been released. As we see, it's downloading. Takes some seconds or so to actually download. While it's downloading, guys, remember you're going to get some errors, some bugs when using this. So use it sparingly, cautiously. Try not to make it your only Kodi app. Make sure you have the original 17.6 script on. So this can also be used in inclusion with Kodi 17.6. Just gonna pause the video for a while, just let it complete. Guys, as we see, it's already been installed. This APK has the latest plugin updates, signed and aligned for Google Play Store. So that's all the new stuff been added to this APK. Let's get opening this APK. And there we have it, guys. Kodi 18 Leia Fork Edition. If we go into settings, let's go into system information. At the bottom it gives you Kodi 18 build alpha 1. So that's the version of this fork. Another great new feature with this fork is that if we go into there, settings, add-ons, you no longer need to tick unknown sources. It comes automatically ready to actually receive new repos, unofficial repos, any sort of add-on that you're adding that is not official with Kodi can be used straight out of the box. Another great thing with this, it actually comes with 3 different skins to start with. So you get your Confluence, your S-Touchy skin, and your Estuary skin. Guys, hope this was helpful. Please leave your comments down below and hit that bell notification, including the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.